Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna do a DIY project. Me and Piper is going to make Christmas trees out of pine cones. So, nakakuha ko pine cones sa work. We have a tree at work in the hospital. Every time I discharge a patient, na siya'y makuan, na siya'y mahulog, I kept them and saved them. So, karon siya na ako'y na save nga a few of them, and they're the huge kind. Like, they're just not small, they're the huge kind. So, we are going to make a Christmas tree, and we're gonna use this tiny pots para siya, cute siya lang taon, another nga mong i-decorate ang tree, because this is too big, so maybe I'll use this one, not even that one, maybe that one. Yeah. So, okay guys, we're going to start. We have our stuff laid out, and we're gonna start our decorating. Saong dagway ni namo, oh my gosh.
Harap.
So if you want a color Piper, I have those things. Is there any like you can squirt it because we just have to clean it up, you know. And you know what's going to happen, buddy? So for example, you choose that one to make it like nicer. You can put this like that so that it looks like a tree, you know. Okay. So what are you gonna do first? Are you gonna put it like that? Yeah. And then
I
you
was doing the day.
Oh, okay. So mine, saan mo na ako ning ako wala siya, no? Ay, ano siya. Good job, Piper. Wow. And remember, you have your, asan to, King? Kato ba?
These?
Yeah, give me mine. I think you have your blue one, or pink one and blue one. So, ako I think what I'm gonna do, ana siya. Na pa siya ko ano. So, ako daw ini siyang sprayhan ani. Di ba ko kabalo sa ako ni paggamit, guys. So I'm gonna start, Piper, by maybe I should like paint mine. So we're done painting our pine cones. We're done painting our pine cones. This one still needs to dry. The two, I think this one okay na siya. Bless you. This one is still wet. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer to finish it and put it in our little pots. So guys, I painted mine. Kuha na siya. I'm gonna wait to dry a little bit. Yeah.
Mine too.
Mine too. Can you show the camera that yours? Yeah. So Piper decorated hers. Ang yan ko anyas.
And do not touch that because I glued there.
Okay, you're gonna let it dry a little?
Yeah.
Oops. Okay. How did it dry so quickly? My goodness gracious. So guys, I'm using a glue gun to stick my star to the tree. So this one, I put in a sidlak nga beads para mosidlak siya guys. Wala siya og naapoy snow, di ba? And then this big one, ako siyang gibutangan og kanang jewels nga dagko kay dako man siya. I used my my glue gun to attach the jewels sa tree. So, mao na siya. Akong anak guys, wala ni tabang kay gikapoy. Ako po gikapoy man. DIY. Kapoy, di ba? My goodness. But, okay lang. Spirit of Christmas, di ba? Sige. Padayon sa decorate. Like that. Okay guys, humana ang amuang DIY Christmas tree made of pine cone. Humana siya, gikapoy ko. Akong anak wala na ni tabang kay gikapoy na pod siya. So humana. This is it. We have 5. This is the big one, and then where's Piper's? This is Piper's, and this is mine with the snow guys. So ay gikapoy kog tuda-tuda sa amo ang DIY. So humana, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video guys, give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe sa akong channel kung ganahan mo. Hit that notification bell kay harong the next time I post a video, you will be notified. And also, please follow me sa Facebook, guys. I have a page on Facebook, Azel Online. Please follow me and give me a thumbs up. Salamat sa pag-watch sa video. I hope you like it and enjoy your day. Be safe and bye-bye. Maura siya. End of the vlog. Salamat sa pag-watch.